Want to know how to care for your oak tumbler? Check out this fun video for tips. When you open the tumbler box, remove the wax and check out the instructions. Drink up, enjoy, and after a couple of uses, just use the wax to care for your tumbler. You have enough wax with your tumbler to last a couple of months. Use the wax in the pocket or use Grab Extra Wax from our shop. It comes in 100 ml to last a couple of years. We make our wax in-house. It's organic, natural, and really smooth. You don't have to use gloves, but you can if you don't want to get wax on you. It's sometimes better to use just your fingers or grab any cotton cloth. But fingers are sometimes easiest and simpler to use. Using the tip of your thumb is best for picking up the wax, just like in the video. Now make sure to heat the bottom of the tumbler. The bottom needs the wax more than the sides. 2 or 3 layers of wax will last a while, so take your time and be through. Using the wax on the outside of the tumbler is more for shine than shape, but hey, shine is awesome! Now wipe off the excess, and please remember that this is all you need. Do not wash the tumbler now. It should never be washed, just wiped clean. Now let the tumbler sit in a cool place. The wax will settle in the cracks and do its job. Wanna buff it? Go for it. The wood grain is beautiful. Now drink up and enjoy.